What's up, everybody? Oh my... I don't even know how to do my own intros. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, today...
I failed at that. I failed.
Nicole, I'm like, Nicole, we gotta do the intro together. Do you wanna try again?
Yeah, let's
We're
try
trying
again.
again. Take two. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
I nailed it. I fucking nailed it.
Yes. You need your own wand.
I
Like
do,
the lipstick
I do.
wasn't good enough.
I know.
Alright, anyway, in case you guys forgot, welcome back. Today we are diving into the Blood Sugar palette, of course. And we meaning Nicole, she's recreating another look from the beauty campaign. Now girl, I know most of you have already seen this image. Now we are going to recreate the makeup for this look, and this was one of my favorite looks on set. It was just so vibrant, stunning, beautiful, full pink, fuchsia, purple, orange, like, it was just everything I needed. So we recently flew to Texas for this shoot. Now, when you saw the palette, what got this going?
I think that prick color, that like bright reddish orange, it's so pretty, and I just wanted to use it with pinks and just super vibrant pop eye.
Oh yeah, we definitely have a lot of pop and color in here. I think it's very like Jeffree, but also very just like, and the lip's different. I normally don't wear a lot of light colors. I know I make a lot of them because you guys love them. So when she did the lip at the end, I was like, holy shit. But in today's video, we're gonna watch Nicole transform and create this amazing eye look. Now, of course, she is you're kind of like the head makeup artist now.
Okay.
Yes, title.
All right.
And she created all the looks for me on set. You guys will see a few more videos later. So we're just on a roll.
Yeah, we're on a roll.
So if you guys want to watch today's makeup tutorial, of course, keep watching. But also, we're going to link Nicole down below because she is teaching makeup classes all over the place.
Yep.
Are you doing international soon, maybe?
Yes, actually. Yes,
Yay.
I am.
Bam, work, I wanna come. So Nicole picks a model for her class from her friends. So she's used Daisy Danger, she's used Jacqueline. I'm waiting for my moment. Hello! You have a lot of cool people from social media in the works.
Yep,
so
definitely.
That's really awesome. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. But besides that, you guys, if you wanna see how to get this snatch motherfucking glam look, then keep on watching. Hi everyone. Alright, so Nicole did my foundation, contour, highlight, powder, concealer off camera. I think you guys know my routine thus far, so we're going to dive into the crazy Blood Sugar look. So what are we gonna do first, baby?
We're gonna do your crease first. So we're gonna start to build up. We're gonna pull out of the purples, and we're gonna use that bright orange color prick.
Yes.
And we're gonna use a couple of these dark tones too. So we're gonna kind of use purples, pinks, and oranges.
Full on today.
Yeah.
Just a little simple look. So you're gonna go in with glucose and sugarcane.
Kind of mixing them together for your brow bone.
Okay. And then a lot of people might ask what you used on my brows today to draw them on. So Nicole always freehands them like it ain't nothing. And you did the Anastasia dip brow.
Dip brow, yep, in the color taupe.
Yay.
On set, we actually, for this photo shoot, we used the palette.
We did, because I had like a dusty rose wig. Today we're gonna serve you some platinum blonde, but she did custom create the brow. Brow bone is highlighted. What's our next
Let's
step?
pull some cake mix.
Okay, so we're gonna dive into a little cake mix. So you're just placing that in the crease? Come on, crease. So if someone has more of like a hooded eye or a folded eye, what do you suggest? Because I get that all the time. And a lot of people are like, what would Nicole do? I'm like, well, let's ask her.
Keep matte. Use mostly matte colors, which is great because there's a bunch of them in here.
A lot of mattes in this palette.
And you're gonna pull the colors up higher so that when you open your eye, you can actually see them. Yeah.
Right.
So you'll just have to bring everything up slightly.
Doesn't matter what your eye shape is, girl. You can make it work. Do it right. A lot of practice. And ooh.
Okay, we're gonna add some pink to this eye. So we're gonna take a little bit of cavity.
Yay, the bright pink in the palette.
I love this. It's like a purpley pink.
It's different. I want it to be really different than Star Power from the Beauty Killer palette, which is like so neon. I mean, this is still bright as fuck, but it's just a different tone.
Yeah, definitely a different tone. It's so pretty.
What are we gonna do next? Root canal?
It's a root canal.
Bam,
which is
all right.
what I need.
You need one right now? I've had 8 root canals, which I'm sure if you watch the palette reveal, you know that. Yeah, they're fun, aren't they?
Yeah, so fun.
Do you really need one?
Wait. Yeah, remember I was telling you about all my dental stuff?
Yeah, I wanna go with you. Hold your hand. Okay, well we're gonna dive into root canal. Alright, so where are you gonna put that one?
We're gonna put that deep in your crease right underneath cavity.
I'm gonna hold this like your hand model.
Cute.
hand model, like your assistant. I don't know where that came from.
Next, we're gonna make this a little bit darker.
Okay.
And I'm gonna take a little bit of Coma.
Bam. The shade on the far bottom right here. Where are you gonna put that?
Right here on the outer crease.
Okay. Also, in case anyone is gonna ask, Nicole just grabbed a lot of my brushes that are just sitting here. So it's literally all types of brushes, you guys, from Morphe to Gucci to Spectrum to Chanel. There's a variety.
A brush variety.
There's a lot of, so they're just all random.
This one is Morphe though. This
Cute.
crease
This
brush,
one?
yeah.
Also, quick story, Nicole actually introduced me to the owners of Morphe years ago, and she was the person that walked me into their first ever Burbank location in California. And she was like, hey, these are my friends, Linda and Chris. And it's just crazy that like years later, we're like doing retail and all these cool things. So thank you.
You're welcome.
It's
Remember
wild.
when we taught our class there?
Yes.
In the back?
Our first ever class, so we taught makeup classes together when we were hustling and trying to make that money together. And we did it at the Morphe store, which was our first one ever. Now Nicole's just off on her own, teaching the world, slaying the kids. All right, now Nicole's gonna dive into shade Prick right here that has the needle imprint in it. Yay, one of my favorite shades.
Love this color.
This is like the third or second shade I created for the palette.
I want to put this all over your lid.
Okay. All right, what's next?
Next, we're gonna take a little fresh meat.
Okay.
And we're gonna put this right underneath your lower lash line.
Smoke me out. All right, now Nicole is gonna dip into shade Cavity, the pink one again. And what are you gonna
A little
do?
bit of that, we're gonna blend out fresh meat with it.
Ooh, sorry, I'm like, God. Boom. All right, now we're gonna dip into
Tongue pop.
Tongue Pop.
Take a little bit of this just to blend it out and kind of melt it into with your skin color.
Okay. All right, you guys, I'm quickly gonna do some liner and lashes off camera. If you watched our previous tutorial, you know I like to do it myself because my eyes do get a little sensitive with all this trauma. Okay, so we are going to do the, what is the shade? This is the ColourPop Nude Liner. The shade name wore off. So it's the nude liner and then of course the Rollerlash mascara from Benefit. So, be right back.
Okay, we're just gonna do a little tiny baby winged liner.
Oh, what are we using?
We're using the our favorite Tom Ford liner.
Can't stop using that.
So
Can't
good.
stop, won't stop.
Okay, we're gonna do some lashes. We're using the, I never know how to pronounce this.
Nubounsom.
Nubounsom.
In style Serengeti.
Serengeti.
They
They're
are
so pretty.
They're stunning. Wait till they're on. They're gonna like take that eye look to the next level. Oh wow. Woo. All right, Nicole actually wanted to add a little bit more detail. We forgot something, so she's gonna go in with Candy Floss.
Right on your inner corners as like a little highlight.
Okay, highlight me, baby.
Cool, so we're gonna use Self-Control on your
Yay.
lips. We're gonna go for
One
like
of the
a
new
pastel
colors.
vibe.
Okay,
Yes.
love it. Different. You can always do a nude lip if you do a bright eye. It's easy, but let's take it there. All right, you guys, here is the final look. Look at it, I just did my roots.
It's like that. It was so easy.
The magic of wigs. So for the shoot, we had this long, dusty rose wig. David has it in his car right now, and we're like, you know what? It was so close to blonde.
Why not?
This hair looks sick. So, of course, as you saw in the intro, we did recreate this look. Should I do it now?
Identical. Spot on.
This look was so fun to watch Nicole create on set, so we had to, of course, bring it back. I'm living for it.
I love it. I love the pop of orange.
Yeah.
I love the contrast. It's so pretty.
I love the different lip. We also used Romeo in another tutorial, which I'm sure most of you have already seen. So we're like, you know what? Let's use Self-Control and actually live for it.
I do too. I love
It's
the
like,
little lilac.
whoa, it's a different vibe. Hey,
nice.
I'm just feeling myself. I'm like, fuck, bitch. Nathan just came upstairs and he's like, all right, I want you when you're done.
I'm like, okay, I'm out.
Well, thank you so much for coming on my channel again.
course.
Yay.
Anytime.
You guys, this palette everything about it. I'm just so excited. Thank you guys for so much love so far. And Nicole and I, we have a lot more magic up our sleeves this year. So saddle up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. And Nicole, everyone's gonna see you on your makeup tour. So saddle up.
Yep.
Yay!
City's all over.
As always, everything for Nicole's socials will be linked down below. Check her out, give her a follow. And yeah, you guys, thank you for diving into another beautiful makeup magic video. I'm just living. I'm like, I'm about to go. I'm about to go like answer the mail right now in like a fucking robe. Like, hi. Well, thank you so much. I love you.
Babe, of course, anytime. Thank you.
All right, you guys. We will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
What the hell is this? You guys? It's been a long morning. I love you. Bye, guys.